Want to poof a bow with me? I've got this bow. Look how thick it is. It's on my Fluff and Poof box. And we're going to just poof it up. Give these loops some life. And see how it turned out. This ribbon, this bow has so much ribbon in it. I'm curious to see how much it's going to weigh. But we're going to just work the loops and see how it turns out. Lots of loops. We just used 3 different kind of ribbons. This is all wired edge ribbon. Got some florals in the back with some blues and oranges and yellows. Use the blue denim in the middle, and then the top is this really pretty pumpkin. Ribbon. So we're just gonna pull them around, poof them up. I usually start from the back and move to the top, but for some reason on this side, I'm doing it the opposite way, but that's okay. We're gonna get the same thing. Same thing, it's gonna still come out and be so pretty. I love these colors together. I love blues for fall. I love making bows and playing with my ribbon. If you are a bow lover or you're bow challenged, I would love to help you be able to learn how to make bows and do all the pretty things to add to all of your projects. Or, you know, you can put them in your Christmas tree, you can put them on your mailbox, your door hangers, your wreaths. There's so many uses for bows. The main reason I like it is because I get to buy more pretty ribbon, right? And I put the tails going in the wrong direction. So we're just going to pull those back down there. Show the bow who's boss. That's why we tied up with that binding wire, to give it some strength so that you can maneuver it and work it. Just like that. I don't staple or add glue or anything inside of mine. I just tie them and secure them really tight so I can just poof it away, and it holds itself together. It doesn't need any staples or glue. I just don't, that's just not the way that I do it. I see a lot of people using staples and putting their loops together, and that works too, and they make beautiful bows. It's just, you have to find the way that works for you, and this is what works for me. So there we go. There's our bow. Poofed and ready to go. What do you think? Do you like it? Be sure to tell me down in the comments, do you like to make bows? If not, keep following me and I will show you the way. Have a great day.